Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and don't be tired of my one cloth. Sometimes I believe you people know that we take a day and maybe we can record different clips and then we post maybe on different days or differently. So don't worry about my same clothes. By the way, these are brand Makoteko look. They are the best designers in town, Makoteko. So if you need maybe if you need a very presentable cloth, then you can go for Makoteko look. They are all over on social media. Today there is this question that has been disturbing several people. They are asking me, Omari, which apps do you use for your editings? Omari, which apps do you use for your editings? Today I want to take you through, and as usual, you always have privilege of seeing my screen. So let me start by sharing with you my screen. Okay, let me share with you my screen. All right, now ladies and gentlemen, you are here, and I believe you can see my screen. Now this what is happening. If you check here, you can see in short 55 minutes it is still saving. So it means InShot is one of the apps that I use for editings. Now if you check keenly, you'll see how I've grouped them. Now we have this one that is called editing. We have tools. There is a day that I'll take you to tools, don't worry, but check on this one that is written editing. There is this one of pay folder. There are those ones that are not written, don't worry. Now let me take you through the editing apps, the ones that I always use even on my photos, on my videos. So I'm here. Yeah, the first one is called Adobe Express. You see it? Then we have InShot, we have PixArt, we have Watermark, we have Canva, BandLab, Voloco, Microsoft Designer, Poster Maker, Intro Maker, FX Guru, FX Player, Short FX, FreePic. You know, let me start from this other side. FreePic, I was told that it's having a lot of free templates of a poster, but I have not tried it yet. But you can try it. Yeah, I just downloaded it recently. I've not used it. If you can check, it is on this other side, means that I rarely use them. These ones that are this one, the other side, I rarely use them. So you can check on FreePic if you're there and you are a graphic designer, you want to start, you still don't have resources, you don't have a laptop, you don't have what, you can start with FreePic. You see if it's working and you give me feedback. Then we have ShortFix. ShortFix is an app that gives different effects. For example, if you want to fly, if you want to have maybe you want to behave like ghost, you want to do what, maybe you want to put an effect that maybe wall is breaking, you can use ShortFX. Yeah, ShortFX, it's there, you can just download. Yeah, those are some of the things that I've been using. But you know, nowadays I'm not into movies so much, so I do podcasts, so I rarely use it, because in podcast I don't need those effects to edit. Okay, we have FX Player. This one can allow you to maybe play from YouTube. You play something from YouTube while you are also doing some editings. You know, YouTube do not allow that when you are playing. Okay, it's here. It's here. FX Play. It's also it's giving you to play different videos from whichever you want. We have output, camera, secret, internal, yeah, all those ones. So this one is just allowing you to play different videos from different apps. FX, I think it is wrongly placed. It should not be there, so I'll not explain much about it, don't worry. Now I have FX Guru. This one is also giving you different, how do we call them, effects, yeah, video effects. If you want maybe a fiction where there is plane crash, something of that kind. So you know, you can't tell me that you wanna talk about maybe something, or you wanna act like maybe there is a plane crash. You can't go to the airport and do all those ones. So FX Guru can help you do that. Then we have Intro Maker. Just as you always watch maybe from the other channel of mine, Luo Trending Nation, we have that intro of Luo Trending Nation. You know, if you wanna have your channel and always you want to have an intro, then you can use Intro Maker to make your intros. It is simple. Actually, it is self-explanatory. Intro Maker, you can use it to make your intros. I believe intros, you know, like the one for Citizen, the one for simple. Then we have Poster Maker to make posters. All these apps that I say, or that I'm mentioning here, they're there on your phone. You can check. We have Microsoft Designer. This one you can use to design different things. Then we have Voloco. Voloco is used for vocals. If you wanna do voiceover, you can use Voloco. If you are an upcoming musician and you still don't have enough money to go to studio, you can use Voloco. So long as you have beats, you can put there and you record your song, you mix and you post. I have there are some songs that I did with Voloco. How is it called? Amil or something. I did with Voloco. You know, when I'm talking about this, let me go online. When I'm talking about it, some people will say, oh, stories are Jabba. Let me tell you one of the songs that I did with Voloco. Voloco. Amilo, Omari. This one is mcomarinash production. Let go son again. Akaujinga. Amilo ya walele. Inenya kokende baby. Amilo ya walele. Inenya kokende baby. Jabero rokorinda toto. Amilo wangelando dodo. Oh nyathini chop chop. Samotelo mbele nyathini chop chop. Kendo inembasna. Samiyonge buta topa chalalga. Ine nyako kende mamora. To ine kongi chupa mamera. Ine paro kende mabera. Tutoka ngatoka otadera. Oh jogi semigana onge pesa. Obongo nyakalagano miwaera. So that one, we downloaded the beat and we used that. So this thing that I'm telling you are working. So don't just say that Omari is there just like other motivational speakers will come and speak, will come and talk to you, and in real sense they are not working. No, they're there. BandLove you can use to change format of your song, maybe from MP3 to MP Word, you know. Yeah, so it can help you do that. For example, those that are doing distribution know how it works. So if you want to distribute your own songs to different social media platforms, like for example, we have Boomplay, all those ones, you can change the format of your song first using BandLab. Then we have Canva. Canva is also used for graphic designs. Watermark, if you've taken a photo, for example, those that are photographers, you want people to know that you are the ones that did that. Watermark can make you put that your logo in a lot of photos at once. You can even give it 100, and at once it will be your logo will be in all those ones. So you can use Watermark for that. Then we have PixArt. PixArt, I use it for editing photos. That's why when you see me online, I'm always cute, but when we meet offline, sometimes you may be disappointed. Then we have InShot. This is what I do for most of my. This is what I use for most of my videos, especially long ones. Even this one, I'm just using how do you call it? InShot. Then Adobe Express. Adobe is also for graphic designs. You want to make poster, you want to make what, you want to make flyer, using your phone, use Adobe Express. And that is all. That is those are the apps that I use for editing. So if you're there, I've talked of audio, I've talked of video, I've talked of graphic designs. I've shared with you all of them. So if you have a phone, don't worry about going to, you start asking people for cameras, you start asking people for laptops. No, take your phone, capture, edit. You take your phone, you capture and edit. And that's how people begin, and that's how people grow. Before you reach that level that you can use a camera, you have camera on your phone, use it. Before you reach that level whereby you can edit your videos using a laptop or computer, use your phone. That's why I'm here to give you tutorials, and you can earn a living from your phone. So nowadays phones are very powerful. You communicate, and at a given time you can also work on your phone. Don't just use your phone maybe to watch things. Also make people to watch you. It's good to watch, right? Because nowadays learning is not only through the book. You can also learn by listening to what people are saying, like now, those that are listening to this. But it's also good, we can also listen to you, and you don't need to have lights. No, you don't need to have 4 cameras. Even me, I'm just talking to you and I have a single camera, and you're still getting it. And sometimes I also do make podcast using my phone, and people listen to you. Omari Nash, as usual, continue subscribing, build me as I build you.